Hello, it's Dan here from EDEMO Electric Bikes. This is a quick video to show you how to remove a wheel off the front of your Riese Müller bike that has a through axle. Hopefully this will be helpful. Here we go. So down we see on the side it looks like a quick release lever. It's this one just here, and as normal quick release you're just going to grab it. It shouldn't be done up too tight and it will drop down that way. And then on the other side there's this weird little widget type thing. All you have to do is holding the lever on the other side over here, the quick release lever, press this in and then turn it clockwise and you'll see the little outer edge locks in. Do that again. This edge here, as you push it in, lock it, and then all you need to do is pull the through axle all the way out. There we go. That's your through axle, and that's the little piece on the end. You can see it opening and closing. That's what holds the wheel in, so now if you lift the bike up, the wheel's going to drop out.